No worries, no worries. Checker partridge. It's a quail-type bird. Okay. Has it tremendous, powerful wings. A lot of power. You can feel that.
From the day they're born, ground birds must scramble to get away from predators. Biologist Ken Dial analyzes in amazing detail the mechanics of their wing and leg movements.
Baby birds are striving to move to a safe place using their forelimbs and their hind limbs in any way they can. And with these little wings, they're able to accomplish very important behaviors. That is, to get to a safe place, to live to see tomorrow.
That technique is called wing-assisted incline running. Many species use it to gain traction in a mad dash to get up and away.
Everyone we've ever looked at performs this behavior.
With support from the National Science Foundation, Dial and his team at the University of Montana Flight Lab use X-rays and high-speed video to understand the mechanics of bird flight.
We're trying to go from the skeleton to the muscles to the feather development.
They even go back in time.
We're trying to take the skeleton of fossils and bring it to life.
It's got an airspeed of 22 or so miles per hour.
At the lab's wind tunnel, biomechanist Brett Tobalski blends biology and physics to measure the airflow patterns around this parakeet. Lasers and 1,000 frame-a-second views provide more insight.
The upstroke we're watching right now, sweeping down, you'll notice the feathers bending, loading up, turning around, very complicated motion. Another practical application of the work we're doing is to understand how muscles perform.
That knowledge could be used to treat human muscle disorders or aid in designing safer aircraft.
Check all the flight surfaces.
Dial is an accomplished pilot, yet the power and flexibility of birds' wings still intrigue him.
The aha moments for me are usually when I'm piloting and I realize that I'm looking at 10 different gauges to allow me to fly nice and steady. And I'm just amazed at how a bird does the same thing.
Humans, he says, can only dream about some of their aerobatic maneuvers. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.